Whether you're into FPS, MOBA, or MMOs, a one-handed gaming keyboard gives you speed, control, and comfort, all in one hand. Let's break down the best picks of 2025 for gamers who want compact power at their fingertips. Aciron Gaming Keypad, right-handed. The Aciron keypad stands out with its highly ergonomic and customizable 3D printed design. Unlike traditional keyboards, it uses a radial layout that allows for quicker finger movement. You get 30 fully programmable keys and a Hall-effect thumb joystick, ideal for analog control in MMOs or RPGs. The joystick supports 360-degree movement, making it a hybrid between controller and keyboard. Each finger module is adjustable to fit different hand sizes and comfort preferences. It's engineered for long gaming sessions, high-speed inputs, and tactile feedback. Perfect for gamers who want a premium, controller-like feel on a keyboard. Mage G One-Handed Professional Gaming Keyboard. Simple yet functional, the Mage G 35-key keyboard uses mechanical blue switches for tactile and clicky feedback, a great pick for gamers who love audible key responses. The compact form factor makes it extremely portable, and the RGB backlighting can be customized across multiple patterns and colors. It includes 6 macro-capable keys to help automate in-game actions. The design is plug-and-play, making it ideal for gamers who want to jump into action without heavy setup or software installation. Redragon K585D IT one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard. The Redragon K585D ITI is a powerhouse designed for competitive gamers. It features 42 mechanical keys that include essential WASD and surrounding action keys, great for FPS, Battle Royale, and MOBA games. With 7 programmable macro keys, you can assign complex combos or rapid actions to a single keystroke. The hot swappable socket upgrade lets you change mechanical switches on the fly, supporting most MX-compatible types. It connects via Type-C for stable, lag-free input, and the detachable magnetic wrist rest reduces wrist fatigue during extended gameplay. Full RGB lighting customization through Redragon software completes the experience. MFT Key One-Hand Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Designed for beginners and budget-conscious gamers, this RGB combo set includes a one-handed mechanical feel keyboard, a responsive gaming mouse, and a durable mouse pad. The membrane keyboard mimics mechanical key presses and offers 35 essential gaming keys, plus a built-in wrist rest for added comfort. While it lacks the deep programmability of higher-end models, it's a solid choice for casual PC or console gaming, especially for PS4 users, thanks to its plug-and-play support. If you're serious about dominating your game with speed and precision, a one-handed gaming keyboard might just be your secret weapon. From pro-level mechanical builds to budget-friendly combos, the right gear can massively boost your playstyle. So, choose the one that fits your grind and get ready to level up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another top-tier gaming gear breakdown. Game on! Xero One-Handed Gaming Keyboard. The Xero Gaming Keypad is a high-quality mechanical keyboard featuring 35 keys with linear red switches, delivering quiet, smooth key presses perfect for fast-paced gaming. It's engineered with north-facing LED RGB lighting, giving every key a sharp, gamer-focused glow. The double-shot keycaps ensure long-lasting text clarity, while the QMK/VIA firmware compatibility gives you deep control over layouts and key remapping. The silicone palm rest adds comfort and stability during use, making it a top pick for gamers who value quiet, responsive action.